Can you print directly on spring steel? The answer, yeah, you can, but the adhesion is going to be terrible. This is PLA, and it is just lifting like crazy on the corners. So it's not that things are going to get stuck on spring steel, it's that it's not going to stick. That being said, you could use an adhesive agent like some glue stick, and that might work. But it's absolutely not going to be anywhere near as good as printing on PEI, which is typically applied directly onto the spring steel in a form of a sticker. That's kind of what happened to me. I destroyed my PEI surface by accident, and when that happens, you have to remove it, clean up the glue, and put a new PEI sticker on. But I have to order some more. I figured, what the heck, I'll just try printing directly on spring steel and see what happens, because I was curious, and the adhesion's terrible. I mean, you could probably get PETG to stick to it. PETG adheres to everything, but I don't know if I would advise that. PETG doesn't stick to things as much as it welds itself to things. So perhaps you would need a release agent in that case. But as far as PLA goes, it's possible. Just really wouldn't recommend it.